We learned that it doesn't make sense to just automate existing business processes. Before you apply machine learning, you should understand how your end users use the system. What do they do? What is their job to be done? And of course, you could now go out and ask all your employees in the company what they are doing. But another intelligent way of doing this is using automated user behavior mining. So we want to show you what we are doing in the area of user behavior mining. It resulted from a research project that we did together with the Hasso-Plattner Institute. So this project was driven by the Spotlight team. It's an SAP internal startup working on process analysis. So in a second, I'd like to connect once more to the show floor. And you will see multiple things there in different stages. So you will see something in alpha, you will see something in beta, and you will see our existing intelligent robotic process automation product, which you can buy already today. Over to you, Amrit.
Thank you very much, Jürgen. So, all of us have to deal with the pressure to make things run more efficiently. This is the key driver for automation. In any automation initiative, we typically have 3 questions to answer. Firstly, how to identify the most promising automation opportunities. Secondly, how to create RPA bots and maintain them effectively. And finally, how to quantify the business improvement afterwards. Now let us address these 3 questions. Imagine you have been asked to improve your business process efficiency through automation. But how to find out where to start, and that ideally without spending a large amounts of your time or your money. For this, we already built a tool called Spotlight by SAP, which is available today. It provides you with an overview of those processes and transactions that require high manual effort. In our example, it's the accounts payable process. Now to drill deeper into these processes, we developed the idea of user behavior mining, which is essentially in a pilot state currently. It quantifies the number of steps taken and the amount of time spent in a certain process across various SAP UI technologies. Now, let us have a look at the Create Supplier Invoice application. What you see here is a detailed click flow of a process. Each box represents an input provided by the user, and each bubble is a click. On the top, you also see various business KPIs relevant to this process. For example, the time spent in the UI. The slider on the top left allows you to see various process variants, and which is basically just different ways of doing a job. Now, knowing how your employees actually execute a job and how they actually work, we can help them automate. This will save them effort and allow them to spend time on more value-adding tasks. Now, let us come to our second pain point of creating an RPA bot. For this, we will have a look at our SAP Intelligent RPA Studio. Based on the insights that we gained from user behavior mining, we already extracted all the relevant parameters that are required to create the bot. Like this, we can automatically generate a customized bot fitting your needs. So creating and deploying a bot becomes a matter of minutes. Now finally, let us address our last question on how to measure the business improvement afterwards, how to quantify it. Well, by tracking the user behavior over time, we can actually measure the decrease in the manual effort. Summarizing, we are currently working on a tool-based end-to-end approach to support your automation journey by identifying the most promising automation opportunities, and that based on actual usage data, by automating your tasks by creating RPA bots, and finally, to quantify your business improvement afterwards. Thank you very much, and back to you, Jürgen.
Amrit, thank you so much.
Thank you.